Okay, Year 3, I have got some coins out here in front of me and I just want to recap over what each coin is. So my very smallest coin I have got is 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p, 20p, 50p, £1 and £2. And the £1 and the £2 are a lot thicker and heavier than the others. Now I would like to just recap, shout the answer out. How many pennies are there in £1? Yes, there are 100 pennies in £1. So 100p equals £1. Now we know that, I'm going to give you some amounts and I'd like you to write down the amounts that I give you. So I am going to ask you to write down this coin and this coin for me. Okay, and you should have written down £1 and 50p. Now I want you to write down this coin, and this coin for me. Okay. You should have written down £1 and 30p. There are many different ways that we can make a £1. For example, if I had two 50p's, that would be exactly the same as £1. Pause the video and see if you can write down how much money you see. Make sure that you start with the coins with the biggest value, so the £2 coin and then the 50p's. Now, if we wanted to use a £1 coin, we don't always have to pay with a £1 coin. You can use other pennies to make up the same amount. So, how many 50p's would I need to make a £1 coin? Well done if you said 2. Two 50p's are the same as £1 coin. That's because 50 and 50 make 100, and a £1 coin is the same as 100 pennies. So, 2 50p's equals a £1 coin. Can you write down how many 20p's I would need to make a £1 coin? Pause the video. Okay, let's work it out together. I need to make 100 to make my £1 coin, and I'm going to count up in my 20s. So we have got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I've reached my 100 and I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 20p's make a £1 coin. 5 20p's equals £1. How many 1p coins would I need to make 100? That's exactly right. 100 1p coins I would need to make 100 pennies or £1. And I don't have 100 pennies to show you. Well done, Year 3. Your next challenge is to find how many pennies or coins you can make to make £3. Now, how many £1 coins do you need to make £3? Yes, the answer is £1, £2, £3. You need 3 £1 coins to make £3. So 3 £1 coins equals £3. How many 50p coins would I need to make £3? Pause the video, give it a go. Okay, let's do it together. So I know that 2 50p coins equals £1. So we've already got 2 50p's there for £1. So I'm going to need another 2 to make £2 and another 2 to make £3. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 50p coins make £3. 6 equals £3. Another way you can do it is to count up in your 50s until you get to 300p, because £3 equals 300p. So we've got 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. So 300p equals £3. Have a go at the next question. Pause the video here and have a go at the question. Let's try converting our pence into pounds. So if I have got 351p, how would I change that into pounds and pence? Let's do one together. Now I know that there are 100 pennies in £1. So how many hundreds have I got here? We've got one. If I put our hundreds, tens and ones, I have got 3 hundreds, 5 tens and 1 1, haven't I? So I'm going to bring my 3 here, I'm going to partition it, and I've got 51p left over. So 351p is going to be £3 and 51p. Because we are working with the hundreds, because there are 100 pennies in £1, you bring your hundreds over here and you partition it into pounds and pennies. I'd now like you to have a go at one yourself. You can draw out your little partition model along with Mrs. Cashin if you like. I'm going to do 238p, and I would like you to partition it into pounds and pence for me. Pause the video. Okay, let's do it together. So I know that there are 2 hundreds, 3 tens and 8 ones. So I'm going to bring my 2 over here for £2 and 38p. So 238p equals £2 and 38p. Have a go at the next question. Pause the video here.